Hi, I'm Tanya, and I feel safe here because there is so much security around me. They protect us. There's police in front of us when we go to the hall, and we're feeling okay.
كل حاجه تمام بالنسبه لك.
قول لها الاماكن السياحيه اللي هي نفسها تروحها.
Which touristic place you are looking to visit in Egypt? Which area, like pyramids?
I mean,
museum?
I want to visit pyramids.
نفسك تشوف الهرم؟
I will be so happy if we visit it.
هتبقى فرحانه قوي.
Yes.
هي هتبقى فرحانه قوي لو راحت شافت الهرم. Are you planning to go in, like we have Sharm el Sheikh or Hurghada? This is like in the east side of Egypt, with a beautiful site with mountain and water and shore and everything.
I mean, I don't think that, I don't know if we going to visit pyramids.
هي مش عارفة إذا كانت تقدر تشوف الأهرام.
But I hope we will go.
بس هي نفسها
If
تشوف
we
الهرم.
have a free time.
لو هي عندها وقت فاضي.
And if coach says we can go.
إن هم يروحوا هي تحب تروح تشوف الهرم.
لو كسبوا بقى.
This is if you are winning, right?
Yes.
أكيد.
Hello, our impression is very good. We are excited to be in Egypt. It's a different culture, it's a different people, and but we didn't see that much because we are traveling only from the hotel to the hall. So we just see with the bus we see the side, and we hope we will visit the pyramids. So we will join.
هو بالنسبة لانطباعهم بقول انطباع كويس جدا، ثقافة مختلفة، بلد مختلفة. هو المشكلة عندهم ان هم بيبقوا حركتهم ما بين التمرين والهوتيل. هم نفسهم يشوفوا البيراميدز والاهرامات ويتفرجوا عليها. In your home culture about the marriage, it will be a younger age or it's not independent about the age?
You mean 15 years old?
Yes,
It's young, it's too young.
هو بالنسبة أنا سن 15 هو صغير جدا، لأن هي يعني السن عندها مش 15 سنة، ده لسه صغير جدا.
طب احنا عايزين برضه نعرف لو هي حبت شاب مصري ممكن تتجوزه ولا لا؟
They are asking if you love someone Egyptian, you will be marry him?
From
Egypt.
If I love him,
لو حبيته.
for now, no,
هو
but
حاليا لا.
maybe when I'm older.
هو حاليا لا، بس أما تكبر ممكن
لو قال لها تقعد هنا؟
And if he convince you to stay here, you will stay here with him in Egypt?
Yes, maybe.
ممكن.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm Elena Zhu. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Argentina. I'm the setter of the team. Here we've been in Egypt for 4 days now, and it's an amazing country. The people are so lovely with us. They take photo with us and talk to us sometime in English because we don't know the language. And the hotel is really comfortable, and we are really happy to be here. In Argentina, I have a common life, but I'm not home because we are training for the team to come here to the World Championship.